Humayun Alamgir has so many stories to tell, full stop. Over a career that extends nearly 2 decades, he has collected a vast number of colorful anecdotes, full stop. There is the quaint essentials Karachi success story, of how he started off as a fledgling menswear designer with barely and know-how and built his brand, one store at a time, full stop. There are the star-studded recollections, the interactions with, singers and actors who have become synonyms with his brand image, full stop. There are the career highs, when he dressed entire entourages of artists at award shows, full stop. And there are the candid confessions, of time when he felt low but then picked himself up and forged on, full stop. I sit across from Humayun at his studio on Karachi's Tariq Road, and my capable cell phones records these stories so that I can transcribe them later, full stop. The studio traverses several floors, with men's formals rubbing shoulders with casual wears, shoes and accessories lined up in a neat processions on well lit shelves, full stop. It is a new stores, Humayun tells me, replacing the older one which used to be across the road, full stop. Inverted comma start. My regular clientele usual still prefers to come to Zama, from where I first started out, inverted comma close. He says, full stop. Inverted comma start. But Tariq Road, with so many varied options at different price ranges available in every street, offers its own potentials and challenges, full stop. The traffic that this areas gets incredible, inverted comma close, full stop. The stories that I find the most inspiring are those of his resilience, full stop. Next paragraph. Looking at Humayun Alamgir today with a brand that is a popular choice for mean wears, a well-known face in the fashion sphere, with stores across the country and celebrities flocking to his studio for every major event. Many may not be aware of the struggles he has faced, full stop. There have been quite a few, but, in the long run, they have also proven to be stepping stones for Humayun, full stop. At some point in our conversations, he tells me, inverted comma start, every time I suffered a setback, it made me want to do more, improve my designs, but my business, full stop. There were times when fashion councils refused to include my collections at their fashion weeks, full comma. This a time when my collections were criticized, full stop. It only drove me to work harder, spend an extra 2 hours at work, innovate every year, do better, full stop. Inverted comma start. There was a time when I would be obsessed with getting nominated at an award ceremony and would be heartbroken when I was ignored, full stop. The organizers would remember me when they would need options for dressing celebrities for the red carpet, comma, but would forget to invite me, full stop. I came to return with these attitudes over times and choose to focus on sales rather than awards, inverted comma close, full stop.